we got this 20cc inline twin. It's the same exact thing as my 157cc. You can see it still has the same muffler on it. All that. All this is removable. Like, this is basically the Razor dirt bike miniature right here. But I do want to see how it sounds. It has a very good seal, but has a lot of friction because I didn't run it yet. I didn't even lubricate anything or anything, so has a lot of friction. But y'all gonna be here to see that friction go away. And this is how you break in your engine for anybody asking. Also, this thing do have the ball bearings in it on the crankshaft part, but not on the camshaft part, only on the actual crank. So you can probably see it behind me. Maybe, probably not, can't see it. But it's in there, it's in there on both sides. Can you see it right there? Barely. But let's hook this thing up. I'm ready to hear it. Ready to hear it. All right, here it is next to the full size inline twin. Big difference. 157cc, 20cc. So you got the 2 cylinders on there. It's the same exhaust. It's completely identical, like the same thing. I did lubricate it, and a lot of friction has went away. So that's good. All right, y'all, we got it hooked up to the thing. Still got the check valve on here. That's the regular one, but need to make a smaller one to go on there. Oh, snap. I barely pressed it. That's loud. Okay. Oh. All right, let's try this again. Bro, what the? All right, let's give it another try. All right, let's do that again. That was a good run. This thing just has so much compression. This thing is super, it's like, I don't know. The pipes are getting very cold, like getting very cold. But this thing, I don't know, like it's just, there we go. I don't know. It's so like small, bro. It's weird. Let me take the whole exhaust pipe off. Let's see how much sound difference this thing has without the exhaust system. This thing is so small and light. Like, it feels like a toy. Especially compared to that one. Like, that's the full size. That's the McDonald's Happy Meal size right here. Hey, what if I... Alright, now this thing looks like the regular thing. It's crazy. Let's see how louder it is. I know it's gonna be louder. Ooh, this thing is loud. Yeah, this is loud. Y'all, I do have another exhaust for it. Hold on. I have these. These were the first things with the 3 baffles in it. I just don't have the exhaust tip to go right here, but do got these. All right, here it is. Bro, this thing looks so good with them on. I never put them on until just now. Like, this is wild. But got these on here now. Let's see how different they sound. I know they're gonna sound different, but I wonder how. And they look big. It look like it's gonna suppress the sound a lot. Let's go. Dang, that's loud. My ears are ringing. Like, oh snap. So loud, bro. That's crazy. Let me put the exhaust pipes on. Let me put the exhaust pipes on and then put these on. Bro, this thing is so loud. And this thing is like screaming. Like, I don't know how fast it's going, but we gotta do a RPM test somehow. Somehow. Cause that's crazy. I really want to know what kind of numbers it's doing. It's crazy. This thing is just like a toy. It's it feels fully customizable, like, and I get to make it how customizable I want it to be. Boom. There we go. Oh snap. I think that's right. All right, this is how it looks. This is crazy. The exact replica of my dirt bike engine. This is wild. This thing is wild. The whole exhaust is getting cold. Everything's getting cold. I think except for this part, like the actual expansion chamber or the, I don't know. Let's see how it sounds. Let's take these back off. Let's just leave it like this. What is going on in there? Bro, something broke. Something broke, bro. Bro, something is gone. Oh, my connecting rod. I like my engines, and I don't like to see them go. That's crazy. Well, still, let me know what y'all think. I still like this engine. It's pretty cool, but now it's fried. It'll still work, but y'all let me know what y'all think about this. And how does it sound compared to the regular version? I like that one. I like that one, but I like this one too. This one reaches higher RPMs, obviously. And the thing with this one is that my sliding valves have a better seal than these, like, and that's my fault. I can't even you can see the gap like right there. But we got a lot of upgrades coming, y'all. I'm telling you, this is nothing. This is just the beginning. All right, y'all. After my crankshaft or connecting rod failed, I had to replace the whole crankshaft and the whole cam right there. So I went ahead and reprinted everything. And what I did different this time is I changed the actual firing sequence of it. So I made it an offset inline 2 this time. So one piston is following the other one by 90 degrees. You can see the sliding valves. And that's what I did different this time. And we're gonna see how much difference the offset inline 2 is versus the even firing inline 2. So let's hook this thing up. Let's lubricate it first and then hook it up. I gotta make sure I keep this thing lubricated because I don't want that to happen again. So let's go hook it up to the air compressor. All right, y'all, we got it hooked up. Let's see how this offset firing inline 2 sounds. This is weird. This is the same exact engine, just with a different firing order now. Let's see. I like that. All right. Oh, bro, it got so much back pressure, it blew the exhaust off. All right, we're gonna try it with no exhaust. Yeah, I hope this thing does not blow up on me like it did. Not blow up, but like I hope nothing fails this time. Bro, I'm tired of this. All right, let's try it with this exhaust again. See the difference. It's getting there. I don't even want to stop running it. I don't care what's going on right now. Come on. Is it good? Probably. I think if I put this on my dirt bike and make like a 20-to-1 gear ratio from this to the back wheel, you think it'll pull me? That might be my next experiment thing. I seen it happening, but I was like, man, I'm gonna just let it happen. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care anymore. I don't know what happened this time, but probably the same thing. Maybe the connecting rod and blew up again.